How to fix Messenger microphone not working during video call issue. To solve this, first of all, what you need to do is launch your settings on your device. From here, scroll down and search for Messenger application. Then tap on it. From here, make sure that microphone and camera is turned on. If it is turned off, then make sure to turn it on. Once you do that, your problem is still not solved, then go through the settings homepage. At the top, you will see General. Simply tap on it and go through the iPhone storage. From here, again search for Messenger application. Under the Messenger application, you will see two options, that is offload app and delete app. Among them, choose offload app. Once you do offload app, you have to reinstall your Messenger application and your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.